Welcome to your Titanium Wizard setup. Before we begin, let's ensure your hard drive is properly installed for recording. Safely power off your recorder using the rear switch and unplug. Remove the case screws to access the hard drive bay, and have ready your hard drive, SATA cable, and power cables. Start by connecting both cables directly to the hard drive. When done, replace the lid and tighten up all screws firmly. Power on your recorder and listen for the beep. With storage ready, let's go ahead and get started. Your Titanium recorder should now display the high-resolution setup screen. If you're seeing a blank screen, don't worry. This usually means your monitor needs a different resolution setting. The quick fix is to hold down the right mouse button continuously until you hear a confirmation beep. This may take 5 to 8 seconds. Repeat if needed until your picture appears. As your Titanium recorder finishes booting up, watch for two key indicators: the GUI interface loading and the hard drive status icon confirming storage detection. The Setup Wizard will now guide you through your configuration. First, select your preferred language. Next, review and agree to the privacy statement. This will enable essential security features. Now set your time zone, which is crucial for accurate playback timelines. Also customize your preferred timestamp format and double check for daylight saving settings here. When complete, click Next. Next, change your default password to something secure. Aim for 8+ characters, mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. You can set an unlock pattern instead. Just connect at least 4 dots in your unique design. You'll need to draw the pattern twice. If your cameras have custom passwords, enter them now in this field. This applies to cameras that are added individually, third-party models, and previously used devices. If you don't have any, go ahead and just enter the default password 123456 and click Next. Next, set up your password recovery now to avoid lockouts later. You have two options. Option 1 is through email recovery. Enter your active email address carefully and check for typos before enabling this feature. Option 2 is to set up your security questions. Create your own questions and provide answers only you would know. If you decide to skip both methods, password recovery will require direct technical support intervention, which may involve verification delays. Before recording can begin, we need to prepare your hard drive. Notice its unavailable status. That means the drive requires formatting. Click Format to initialize the drive. This will erase all existing data permanently. After the confirmation, the status changes to green with read and write permissions. This green checkmark confirms your drive is now ready for recording. Next, click on Wizard Setup. Now let's establish your network connection. First, ensure your Ethernet cable is securely connected to the recorder. You have two IP assignment options. One, which is most recommended, is to leave Obtain IP address automatically selected to have your router assign the address. The second option is to enter in a static IP address. Uncheck the box to enter a static IP. Also, don't forget to configure the DNS. It's critical for remote access. Enter in your DNS server information. Many users utilize Google's public DNS at 8.8.8.8 as a reliable alternative. When all network details are entered, click Next to save and test your connection. Your Titanium system will now scan the network for compatible cameras. Any detected devices will appear in this list. To add cameras, check the box next to each camera, verify that the model numbers match, and click Add. Successfully added cameras will show green online status with the correct model number identification. Now choose how your system records footage. 24/7 recording captures everything non-stop, ideal for high security areas. Motion recording saves storage by only recording when movement is detected. Also create a custom recording times like business hours or nighttime only. You can also select combined methods. Select your preferred method, then click Next. To enable remote viewing, activate P2P, here shown as NAT. This creates a secure tunnel without port forwarding. Your unique security code appears here. You'll need this to bind the recorder to your SuperLife Plus account. With P2P active, you'll now be able to view cameras remotely. You'll now see the cloud service upgrade option. Please note, this feature is currently undergoing maintenance. For now, you may leave it disabled. Your Titanium recorder setup is now complete. Remember to check for firmware updates to maintain optimal performance and security. For any questions, our technical support team is available.